Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually change the output folder for OBS Studios. So let's say you just recorded a raw footage of your recordings and you want to change the destination folder for this footage. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is actually open up your OBS Studio software, and from here head down to the top left corner where the file appears. Now inside the file we head down to the settings right here, and inside the settings you have a load of options to choose from. Now we're going to the left selection, and here we choose output. Now inside output we have also a lot of other options. Now because I'm currently recording a video, I can't actually change it, but what you want to do is go down to the recording path, as you can see right here, and press browse. Now once you press browse, this will open up and it will go down to the folder where your storage actually gets saved. Now let's say you want to change it, and then you go to the File Explorer. When you open up browse, simply head down to downloads or to desktops where you actually want it. Simply press right click, and from there open up a new one, make a folder wherever you want it, and then from there select the folder inside the browse menu. Simply press save, name it, and that should be it. Now everything will be saved in the new folder that you've just created. Now if this tutorial has helped you, or if you still get any other questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.